It's your favorite girl, Jean Audu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Last month, I got a selfie stand, a selfie stick, by the way, because when I'm taking a group picture, we always stretch our hands to take the group picture. So I decided to get a selfie stand, but unfortunately for me, I forgot the selfie stick in my bag. Then yesterday, I remember that I bought something in the supermarket. So I decided to unbox it in front of everybody. So come with me, let's do this together. I hope you will like this video. I don't want to talk much on this video because the practical aspects will teach you more about it. There's a menu inside, a manual, sorry. There's a manual inside which you can read if you're planning on getting this selfie stand. Selfie stick, by the way, you can read the menu and then you will get the proper way to use the selfie stick. So enjoy this video and do not hesitate. Again, do not hesitate to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Remember, I'm your favorite girl. So do not forget, please. Thank you very much and do have a lovely day. Bye.
Don't let nobody tell you what you cannot be. The only permission you need is your own belief. I know the climb is steep, I know the nights are long, but every step I take is turning weakness into strong. If you're chasing something that sets your soul on fire, keep going, keep growing, let hope take you higher. A million dreams, a million miles, I'm gonna chase them through the trials. A million dreams, a million miles, I'm gonna chase them through the trials. I'm gonna chase them through the trials. To every dreamer who's ever been told you can't, this is for you. Million dreams.